Hello, I'm Matt with Adventure Canopies, and today we're going to go over what comes in your bag and how to actually set up your canopy. Another video we'll go over the installation process. So this is your bag, okay? And I'll lay the contents out here on the table. So this is your canopy, how it comes in the bag. You're also getting an accessory bag with 4 hubs, your stainless steel screws, and some clips in case you need to make some height adjustments. This is a printed manual and a universal height kit to make height adjustments. I'm going to put this stuff back in the bag. Well, right now we're just going to focus on the canopy itself. So just unroll, flip this over. These are your poles. They automatically snap in place with shock cord. Once you get your poles opened up, each side will spread apart. Then your center cross pole will slide up. And you put each end of the pole into a T-connector. After that, you get your center strap, have it go over the forward edge of your angled ferrule, and then the same on the other side. Okay? It's been preset when we assemble these, so all you need to do is snap it together. It should be nice and tight. Then you come to the second set of side release clips, snap those together. Basically ready to install it on your kayak. I'm going to go over breakdown procedures and how to fold it up. Unclip the first side release buckle, unclip the second side release buckle, pull out the cross connector here and the other end. Okay? From there you just slide one end forward, get your straps out of the way, lift up on the back side, pull both poles out of the bent ferrule and roll them forward. Release this set of poles and release your forward set. Roll them forward. You want to keep everything towards the center of the canopy. Makes it much easier to fold. Once everything's laid in the center, just take the side nearest to you, fold it over, and roll it up. Okay? Thank you. Next video is going to be installation of the hubs.